Hello there, you're welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your OmniBrain account. OmniBrain is the world's first AI superclone, which you can own, brand, and monetize. Right? That's super amazing. So once you're able to log into your account, navigate to the sidebar and click on AI superclone. And you're going to see create and manage. Click on create and then you'll be taken to this AI chat creation section, all right, where you're going to create your own AI superclone. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to enter your AI name and then you enter your slug name, and right here you set your visibility. You can choose whether public. If you're choosing public, you're going to see your link right here. Okay, and you can copy it. All right, and you can as well choose private. Okay, so let me go with private, and here you have to upload your logo. Click on choose file here, select your logo, and then click on open. You're going to see your logo displayed right here. Okay, so once you're done, you click on create, and that's it. Your AI superclone has been created. Okay, so now in order for you to access your AI superclone, what you have to do is to click on visit right here. Let's click on it. Here you go. This is how your AI superclone appears. Amazing. Amazing. You know, one of the most amazing things about this is that you can actually create these for, people, for businesses, for organizations, and they're going to use it for their businesses. All right. You can create for people, for individuals, for corporates, organizations, for governments, and you make a lot of money from this. All right. You don't have to do it just for yourself, but you can leverage this, for people, and you make a lot of money from it. It's as simple as that. Okay. So now another amazing thing about this is that it is 100% yours. Okay. You have actually branded it, and it is not representing any other brand or any other name but yours. This is a fully functional AI superclone, just like ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek. It contains all the professional AI tools you need to run and scale your business. And in order to access these professional AI tools, you have to come right here, click on this plus button, and you get to access the tools. All right, we've got content creation tools on sales copy, HD image generation, code generation and debugging, web chat, proofreading, file analysis and data insights, text to video, math problems to solve any mathematical problems on earth, article rewriter, text to speech, deep image vision, music and song generation. What is more? Now let us see how all of these actually work. Let's start with content generation. Let's start with content generation and see. Click on it. And then you're going to see the function here is content generation. Okay. So you can adjust the setting right here. Click on the setting here. You can adjust the tone, conversational, persuasive, formal, enthusiastic, empathetic, authoritative. I may say I want to use authoritative, all right? But then let me use professional. Then the style. How should it be? Should it be concise, detailed, storytelling, benefit driven, problem solving, or USP focused? Let me say, okay, detailed is okay. Then target audience, general audience, all right? And now the word limit. You can adjust the word limit right here. Adjust it to 600, to 1000, to 500, anyhow you want it. Now, key points. If you want to add any key points, you can do that right here, but it is actually optional. But that is optional. So once you're done with that, you hit the apply settings button. So what you have to do now is to come right here and enter your prompt. You can either type your message or you use the Cyrillic voice command right here. Okay, so now let me type in the box right here. Great, I've entered my prompt in the box right here. So once you're done, you click on send right here. Then you see it's generating already. It's thinking and it's in the process of generating the content for me. Amazing. The content has been generated for me, as you can see right here. All right. This is the content that has been generated. And what you have to do now in your case is to, either share to your friends or share to anyone you want to share the content to, or probably whatever it is you want to do with it. You can use the share button right here to share your content. And of course, you can export to doc, right? When you click on it, it will download automatically to your computer, as you can see right here on my screen. Okay, we also have the PDF format here, which you can click on it to export as PDF, and it will download, as you can see on my screen as well. And also, you can easily just click on this download button, and when you download it, it will download automatically as a PDF for you. Now, let us open this and see. You can also copy the content if that is what you want. Click on copy and you see copied. Now, let us try to open the content and see how it looks. As you can see, this is amazing. It has opened up as an ebook, right, for me, and I can easily share this with anybody I want to share this with, or I can easily upload it anywhere. All right. So that's it. Now let us go back and let's move to the next one. All right. And another one that we have is sales copy. How can we use this to also generate a sales copy? So once you select the function, which is sales copy here, you can enter your prompt right here. So once you enter your prompt this way, do not forget you can as well use the Sri-like voice command right here. Okay. So you can either enter your content, I mean your prompt, in the box directly here, or you use the Sri-like voice command. All right. Now let me try the Sri-like voice command and see how it works. Generate a gripping email copy for a weight loss product for Americans who live in the UK. Now, after speaking to the microphone, what you have to do is to double click on this microphone button right here. Once you double tap on it, it's going to stop. That is why you see voice input stopped right here. Okay. So once you see that your voice has been captured right here in the box, you hit the send button right here. And if you want to adjust the setting, you can do that right here, just like we did earlier on. Okay. And once you're done, you come back and hit the send button right here. And as you see here, it's thinking and it's in the process of generating the content for me. And here you go. The content has been generated. The email copy has been created for me. Amazing. Dear valued reader, you see, this is amazing. It has a subject, right? This is the subject right here. Okay, you can see, and right here as well, we can, download it. We can copy it to our computer, click on this to download it to your computer as a PDF automatically. And that's it. All right. You can as well download as, doc, exports to doc. Okay. And you can as well click on this share button and you'll be able to share with, your friends and all of them. So that's it about that. Now let's move to the next one. We have HD image generation. All right. So once you see that the function has changed, of course, what you have to do now is to enter your prompt. Okay. Now, instead of typing, let me use the Sri-like voice directly. Okay. Now, what you have to do is to click on the microphone button here in order to enter your voice. Right. And once you are done speaking, you have to double click on this button. All right. So that the system will stop recording your voice. That's it. So now let me do that very quickly. Generate a high-resolution, realistic image of a handsome young man confidently speaking at a university convocation. He stands on stage before a podium wearing a fitted gown and has a warm, professional smile. Great, 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 great. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It has actually captured everything I said, okay? So the next thing you want to do is to hit the send button right here. And if you want to adjust anything, you can click on this setting here. You can change it from realistic to artistic, abstract, or cartoon, depending on what you want. And if you want to adjust the size as well, you have to change the size right here, okay? And once you're done, you hit the apply setting right here, okay? And after that, you hit the send button here. You see it's thinking and it's in the process of generating the image for me. I'm talking about a HD image. Wow, wow, wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't this amazing? So clean, so professional. I love it. I love it. I mean, what is more? All right. So what you want to do now very quickly is to, either share it, use the share button, or you just download it to your computer. And as you can see, it has been downloaded right here. I have it. Okay. This is so clean and professional. It's amazing, right? So once you're done with that, you can generate as many images, HD images as you want, right? So from there, you can also move to code generation and debugging. So just like we did with other functions, you can as well come right here, check the settings here, all right? You select your programming language, let's say JavaScript, then your framework, you can select any framework you want to use, all right? And code style, clean and readable, high performance, anyhow you want it. Then you click apply settings, all right? Settings applied for code generation, all right? And once that is done, you enter your prompt right here in the box, okay? Then once you're cool, then you hit the send button. It's thinking. It's in the process of generating the code for me. And here you go. The code has been generated for me. Amazing, right? So what I have to do here is to just scroll down and check the code, make sure that it is exactly what I want, all right? And once I'm cool with the code, I want to make sure that I click on this copy code here, right? You can just click on this and you see it's copied to your clipboard, all right? And if you also want to use these buttons right here, you can just download the code to your computer, and you see right here the file has been downloaded for me, okay? And if you want to format the code, you can click on format code, code formatted, all right? And you can use this button to also share it. It's very cool, amazing. Both you and your users or your clients are actually going to be able to use this system to do whatever it is you want to do as far as AI is concerned. I mean, it's going to make everything quite easy for you, right? It's a great assistant for you, and you don't need to stress yourself anymore. No paying for Gemini, no paying for DeepSeek, no paying for ChatGPT. All you have to do is to just make sure everything is branded for you, for your business, and you just keep enjoying it. All right. Now click on this plus button again, and let's move to the next one. We also have the web chat. All right. We have proofreading. We have a lot of them. Now let's see how this web chat actually works. Once you click on it this way, you're going to see the function changes to web chat. All right. And you want to check the setting right here to make sure that it is exactly what you want. You can enter your website URL, but that is actually optional, right? You can leave it empty for general web research, okay? If you want to limit it to a particular website, then you can enter the website here and it's going to search anything. It's going to chat with that particular website. And now let's see how it works. Now let me leave it blank so that it's going to be a general web research, right? So the next one is search depth, standard analysis, or deep research. Let me try to do, okay, I think standard analysis is actually okay, but you can adjust it to suit your wants, all right? Now we have content type. What kind of content are we talking about here? You've got summary, you've got detailed breakdown, key points, critical analysis, Q&A formats, all right? But I want a summary, okay? Now we have language. You can pick your language, whether Spanish, English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Chinese, Japan, Korean, anyone you actually want. But I'm going with English, of course. All right. So you can include source references and you may decide not to include it. I just unchecked this box now. But if you want the system to include references for you, you have to include it. All right. So now hit the apply settings right here. You see settings applied for web chat. Okay. Now let's see what's going to happen. Let me enter my prompt right here. So you enter your prompt in the box right here, and then you hit the send button here. Amazing. Look at the generation for me. Look at what it has actually generated for me, okay? In order for me to fix that. Isn't this amazing? And it has actually stated the sources, all right, where it got all the messages from, right? So I can easily use this website links right here in order for me to get help, if I need any further help, right? And if I want to save these on my computer, I just hit the download button right here and it's going to be saved on my computer, right? So another one we have here is proofreading. If you have a document, an article, or any essay you've actually written and you want to proofread it, you can actually do that. Click on proofread right here and hit the function settings right here. You can change it to academic, grammar, spelling, the focus areas, punctuation, clarity. Yes, clarity as well is very important. Then apply settings. Settings applied for proofreading. That's it. So what you have to do here now is to click on this file button. All right, click on it and you'll be able to upload your file. So you pick the file you want to proofread. Okay, then you click on open. You see the file is right here. It has been uploaded, and the next thing to do is to hit the send button right here. So it's thinking and is in the process of proofreading the content for me. And here you go. This essay has been proofread for me just now. So simple, easy thing. All right. As you can see, this is the corrected version right here. It says the corrected version. This is the title, right? We have the introduction. And when you scroll down, you're going to see explanation of what has actually been done exactly in terms of the structural and formatting, in terms of grammar and syntax, and in terms of punctuation and mechanics, right? A lot of things that have actually been done to proofread, to make the work actually better. I love this. This is amazing, all right? Now, let's move on. Now, if you want to download it, of course, you know how we've been doing it. Hit this download button right here, or you download as PDF right here as well, or you export to doc right here as well. Or if you just want to copy it, you can easily just copy it to your clipboard, copy it to clipboard, and that's it. So now let's move on again to another feature right here. Right, we also have the file analysis and data insight. This is even amazing. This actually makes everything quite easier for you. This does the work of data analytics. Once you actually input your data, you have a number of data you want to actually analyze. Of course, bring them right here. Just hit this and you're going to see the function changes to file analysis and data insight. Okay, so once that is done, you hit the setting right here and you determine the type of analysis you actually want the system to do for you, whether statistical or detailed analysis, any one of them. You select the one that actually suits you. Then your key points to extract from the data, all right? It's very important as well. Then you hit the apply settings and you upload your data file, all right? You have to upload the file, okay? And if you can paste the data right here as well, there is no problem. You can do that. Okay, so once you're done, you hit the send button here as well. We also have a lot of them, all right? We have music and song generation. We have deep image vision. Now let's check this music and song generation and see what it can actually offer as well. You see music and song generation has been set right here as the function. Now let's go to the setting. So under the settings here, we have the genre. You can select any genre you want to select. Let me say, okay, let's say hip hop. Then the mood, happy, energetic, romantic, mysterious, dramatic. Okay, let's say romantic. Then the duration, you can set it to 30 seconds at one, just whatever it is you want in terms of seconds, right? Let's say 60 seconds. Then the tempo, how should it be? Fast, slow, medium, very fast. Okay, medium. Instruments, okay. Then the style, modern, traditional, experimental, acoustic, modern. Vocal style, male vocals. Then apply settings. That's been applied, and now you have to enter the lyrics right here. Okay, you enter your lyrics right here. Once you paste your prompt right here, you hit the send button. Amazing, and the music has been generated for me. Okay, so now let me play it and listen to the music. The noise of the world just fades when you appear. All the rushing and chaos turns soft and still. You're the glowing window that pulls me near. The only calm silence my heart will ever feel. Amazing. So that's it. It has generated the music, and that's so lovely. Who doesn't like that? Who doesn't like that? All right. And with that, you can download the audio to your computer. Just click on it, and you see it has downloaded to my computer. All right? You can also share the file, okay, if you want to do that. And if you want to regenerate the music, you can click on this button to regenerate it, okay? So you can use this system to generate as many music or song you actually want to generate. I mean, just suit yourself and keep using it, all right? Now, hit the plus button here again. We also have the text-to-speech, we have the article rewriter, we have deep image vision, we have math problems, and we have text-to-video. All of these systems, all of these AI features are amazing, and you can actually use them. Say the text-to-speech, for instance, you just have to click on it, select it, and then you go to the settings right here. All right, just make sure you adjust it to your taste, okay? You pick your voice gender, you pick your voice name, you come right here, the speaking rate, you can actually adjust it right here. The pitch, you can adjust it, okay? The volume gain, the dB, you can actually adjust it as well. And you move to the audio encoding, you can adjust it to the WAV, all right? You can adjust it back to MP3, right? Then advanced options, you can include timestamps and output, auto detect language, as the case may be, right? And once you're done, you hit the apply settings right here. All right, you see settings applied for text to speech, right? So do not forget, you can also change the language. All right, you can pick UK, you can pick US, you can pick French. Right, now let me pick US for instance now. Okay, now once you do that, hit the apply settings, right? Then you enter your prompt right here, okay? And then you hit the send button. You see it's thinking and it's trying to generate the speech for me. It has done that already. So what I have to do right here is to click on this and either download it to my computer, or I come right here and hit the download button, and I have the audio downloaded to my computer, as you can see right here. Isn't that amazing? It's super, super amazing, right? So there are many other AI features right there which you can actually use. Text to video as well. It's so amazing. Just jump on this and start using it. Start using it. Sell to people and make money from it. Sell to organizations. Sell to NGOs. Sell to people and actually, create this kind of platform for people to use. It's an AI platform which you can actually brand, and you can, brand it in the name of the organization you are sending it to, in the name of any individual you're branding it for, and you make a lot of money from it. How cool is that? So that's it. And right here as well, of course, you can change the name of this new chat today. You can come to the settings right here. You can come to the edit button right here, click on it, and you can rename these chats. Okay, let's say this one, it's actually on, let's say, content generation. Click on save, and it has actually changed to content generation. Okay, so you can also hit the new chat button right here, and you're gonna have new chat right here. Okay, and you can actually begin from the beginning right here. Okay, no conversation yet for this, and you can actually start that from the beginning right here. Okay, but when you come back to this place, you will see all the history of the chats we've had so far. Everything is gonna actually show right here. All right, that's amazing. That's super cool, right? That's it. So that is how to use your OmniBrain account. So see you again in the next video. Bye for now.